Hello friends, welcome back to this Facebook page. Take the sheet and then roll it like this. After rolling the envelope, you can fold the paper in the specific directions. After folding it, you have to tap it from the edge and then tap it from the another edges too. Make a strip of blue sheet and then take another red sheet and note the dimensions and insert a yellow strip into it. A broom is made. Take clay ball of red color and then join them all together. After joining them, you just have to divide them and a yellow thing is to be put there. Place them on a flower and this flower can be gifted to your loved ones. Take blue sheet and then roll it in this form. After rolling it in that form, you can simply open it. After opening it, refold it again in the specific direction and after applying some green throws to it, you are done. Take this and start plucking the threads of it. Now join them together with the help of a strip and after joining them you can make and then you have to cut the edges. After cutting it, a broom can be made like this. A broom is made. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.